and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these lovely flower motifs that I call the pointed petal flower. They're absolutely beautiful, and I'll be showing you a little secret project that I've been working on and hope to release a pattern on soon, which I've designed these flowers as part of. So stay tuned for that. Let's get started, shall we? So for today's tutorial, I'm using a 4mm hook and I'm using just white DK yarn. So for this, we're going to work our magic ring. Now, if you do struggle with the magic ring, don't fret. I do have a tutorial coming soon on how to do an alternative to the magic ring, which is just as effective, and it is great for beginners. I know I used it a lot when I first started crocheting. But to do our magic ring, we're going to wrap our yarn around our fingers 3 times. So it's like this at the bottom. We're going to place our hook in the second loop, the middle loop, and we're going to hook the third loop, pull through, and pull it all through, like so. Now we're going to chain 1. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to work 10 single crochet into the magic ring. To do that, we insert our hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. And again, into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. One more time, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. And we want 10, so I've worked 4, I need to work another 6. And we're going to pull our loop and our magic ring somewhat closed. Now we don't want it closed all of the way. There is a reason for that. As you can see in the pattern, the ring is rather open. So what we're now going to do is we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch of our round. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to work a double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over so that you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Now we're going to work a treble crochet. So we're going to yarn over twice on our hook so that we have 3, insert our hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, so we now have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaving 3 loops behind, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so that we have 2 loops remaining, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now we're going to work another double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. So we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Hopefully don't have that happen. And then we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. And that is our first petal. So we're going to do that again. Chain 3, work 1 double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. A treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Another double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops, and chain 3, and insert your hook into the next stitch to do your slip stitch. We're going to keep doing that. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet again, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, chain 3, 1 double, 1 treble into the same stitch, another double into the same stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double into the same stitch, 1 treble into the same stitch, another double into the same stitch, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you should start seeing your petals that are coming together, and they should be looking a little like this. We're just going to keep doing that all the way around to create our beautiful little flower. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch. It's as simple as this, really. that when you get to the last chain, we're just going to slip stitch, and that is going to be the end of our flower. So cut your yarn, or in my case break it, because my kids have lost my scissors. The joys of having 2 9-year-olds who also love crafting. Pull your yarn, so pull it through. Now it will originally be like this a bit. You are going to have to tug it a little bit to loosen that magic ring again. But it is such a nice flower to work with. It looks so lovely when you sew it in. And I can show you it sewn because I have my super little secret project that I'm hoping to release soon. So here we are with it sewn onto what is going to be my mushroom hat. Now, I think I did show this in another tutorial for a motif flower, but this is a very customizable pattern. It is for the slouching mushroom bunny hat. So in the pattern, it includes bunny ears, which it's based off what my kids came up with for the Easter hat competition, and I have kind of gone away with it a little bit. So you have the bunny ear version, which I should place an image of here. The plain version, which is going to be here. Then you have this version that I'm working on at the moment with various different flowers for spots instead of normal spots, which is where this lovely motif has been born from. And then in order to create, and there will be a variety of different flower motifs available in the pattern. And then I will be also doing a version with the bunny ears and flower spots instead of normal spots as well. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do press that like button and subscribe. I hope to see you in a future video, as I do release crochet tutorials every Wednesday, ranging from absolute beginner to foundation stitch, and motif tutorials such as this, and full project tutorials. I also have my van build where there is lots of crochet, okay? It's not entirely random. There is a lot of crochet in that. And any project that I have designed that goes into that van build, I will produce tutorials on how to make it too, so you can make it as well. And you can use it to decorate your car, customize your home. There will be plenty to go. And then I also have my series, I Made It So You Don't Have To, where I review various different craft kits and I tell you, are they beginner friendly or not, because they're always advertised as beginner friendly. And they're from Temu, Amazon, wherever, and we look at them in depth doing the craft crime scene investigations. So I hope to see you there as well. And again, if you found this tutorial helpful, please do press that like button, subscribe for all that content, and comment as well to let me know if you enjoyed it and maybe what sort of flowers you'd like to see in the future. Anyway, have a lovely day. Bye!